Hey guys, this is Bye Money and welcome to my channel. Do I have a treat for you today? As you guys know, I love taking H4, L4 setups. For anyone joining my stream knows that I like to find this setup in key areas. If you want to know what an H4, L4 setup is, simply go into the description below and look at the frequently asked questions, and there is a link there describing what an H4, L4 setup is. Essentially, it's two-legged pullbacks in a row. And so I like to find this in key areas. But many of you guys are wondering, what if I took every single H4, L4 setup regardless of context? Well, that's what we're going to do in this video today. I have made an automated strategy that trades every single H4, L4 setup for you regardless of context. I did put a small little bit of intelligence. I made sure that it only trades good signal bars, which are bull bars going long, bear bars going short, and making sure they're not dojis. Also, I put a minimum 2-point stop loss. So if the signal bar is very small, then it will put at least a 2-point stop loss, or it will use the extremes of the signal bar for the stop loss. But in this video, you'll be able to see the automated strategy created using the two-legged pullback indicator. If you want to know more information about the two-legged pullback indicator that can be used for automated strategies, you can check out the official website, the bottom right of your screen, www.twoleggedpullback.com. The automated strategy only trades one single contract. So if you ever wanted to use this automated strategy, you can trade one contract, two contracts, three contracts. Just multiply the number of contracts that you would typically use to the final outcome of this video. If you look in the bottom left of your screen, you can see the final profit. I ran the strategy on the entire 621 contract for the E-mini, which means from March 12th all the way to current. From when I recorded it, it was May 4th. So you can see the final outcome. If you just had kept this strategy on from the very beginning of this contract expiration till now, this will be the final outcome, trading only one single contract. Well, gonna go to the video now. Hope you guys enjoy, and as always, trade safe and God bless.